Hi guys, just going to show you briefly how you can submit your assignment in Canvas. So let's say, for example, would like to submit the chapter 1.1 notes. So I'll go ahead and click on it since it's overdue. So assuming you've listened to the lecture and watched Dr. Hutchinson's video, you would then click on this. Okay, so just assuming you have a notebook in front of you with notes in it, you would you have a couple options here. You have you can upload the picture of your notebook. Just one page is all I ask. You may take a video of it by clicking on this media tab here, and then you can, for example, record, say start recording, and then your image would show up, and then you can just put your notebook up to the screen and record it that way too. And then once you're done, you may click stop. And so okay, so you have two options. Take a picture of your notes with the phone and then save it as a picture file. Okay, and then save it to your desktop, and then you can choose that file here by clicking on choose file, and then click on desktop, and then find it. For example, if it's this here, and then open. Okay, so it's right there. Now you may click on submit assignment. So that's all there is to it. Let me know if you have any question.